Hi everyone, Anthony here to introduce you to new cutting-edge business that will allow you to enhance your current income or replace it completely in short order. Are you tired of working hard for someone else? Are you fed up with not having the time to spend with your loved ones? Are you sick of doing something you don't absolutely love? Would you like to work 15 to 20 hours per week and make 2 times, 3 times, or even 10 times the money you make today? I have great news. This new business platform is truly changing the lives of many, and not by accident, and will give that time freedom you deserve. If you have no money, no product, zero marketing skills, or maybe even bad at using a computer, you'll find this business to be a good fit for you. Please go to www.8join.com now and complete your contact information so we can direct you to get to one of our upcoming webinars where it can very well change your life. Feel free to call or text me at 330-969-2730. And thanks for watching.